Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn another quiz which is 50 times 5 is equal to. So here we have to know like what is the 50 times 5 is equal to, and here we have few options. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of educational content from my channel. Okay, now let's start. When we say like 50 times 5a, so it means we can essentially talking about the multiplying the number which is 50 by the number 5. Let's suppose here uh we have two numbers. One is 50, one is 50 and one is 5. So like we can say 50 times 5 means 50 multiplied by 5. And then after that we have to find the product of this number. So the product of this number is 250, right? So this is the answer. Let's understand another way. Like here, 50 times 5 means like we have to write 50 5 times and add them like this way. So if you follow this type of thing, so you will get the answer as 250. But for to solve more quickly, and we have the times words here, so we will multiply 50 from 5. And after that, we get the answer is 50. We will see like this example through a real world example. Like here we have 50 apple and 50 banana, and you can say 50 grapes and 50 mango. So, and 50, you can say peach. So if you have like these 50 items in each set, so we have here 5 set, like 50 for apple, 50 for banana, 50 for grape, and 50 for mango, and 50 for peach. So when we add both all of them, we will get the answer is 250. So here the answer is 250. Now let's see the what is the correct answer in A, B, and C. So if you see the A answer, this is 200, 2,500, which is not equals to 250. And B answer is 505 and C is 50, 500, sorry. And D is none of them. So if you see the answer is 250 and none of these is 250. So we have to write D is the correct answer, none of these, right? So I hope you understand what is the meaning of 50 times 5. Or if you say like 50 times 4, so we have to multiply 50 with 4, right? So I can explain another way. Like if we have 50 times 4, so we have to multiply 50 multiplied by 4. And after that, we will get the answer in 200, right? So this is the answer. So I hope you understand this question. And if you have any question, or if is there anything you want like to explore, feel free to let me know in the comment box, and don't forget to like this video and if you found it helpful. Subscribe me for more educational content and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Happy learning.